Google can't stop leaking upcoming Google Pixel 9 series, and now everything is confirmed about the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Now, we saw marketing materials containing what could be the specs for the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Fold. Pixel 9 Pro Fold renders show the foldable in obsidian and porcelain colors. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold will have a 6.3-inch cover screen and an 8-inch Super Actua Flex display. New Lake reveals everything about the design and the internal parts. Google Pixel 9 series prototypes leaked revealing new designs. There have been leaks aplenty in recent weeks showing every angle of Google's Pixel 9, 9 Pro, and 9 Pro XL. The images confirm that Google is moving away from the short and squat passport-style design. One of the leaked images shows the phone lying completely flat, suggesting that it can be opened all the way, unlike the first-generation Fold. The NCC reports also reveal new charging speeds for the Pixel 9 series. A new 45W Google-branded charging brick has also been revealed. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold could have a 48MP main camera, a 10.5MP ultra-wide snapper, and a 10.8MP telephoto sensor. There could be a 10MP shooter on the front for selfies compared to a 9.5MP and an 8MP selfie camera on both screens. The new square camera arrangement that appeared in previous renders is also confirmed, replacing the Pixel series' iconic long camera bar. The company has announced a Made by Google hardware event for August 13th. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold jumped straight to the Tensor G4 in the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro, and upcoming Google Tensor G4 Geekbench score revealed. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold features 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.